Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing fine. I welcome you back to your EVS class. Today we will be continuing with chapter number 24, that is Web of Life. So, let's start. In this chapter, we have seen that there are many things like plants, animals, which are living things, and there are some things like sun, water, house, air, soil, which are non-living things. Now, what is this living and non-living things? Can any one of you tell me? Can you try? Let's know more about living things and non-living things. We see a wide variety of things around us. Some are living while others are non-living. Let us learn more about living and non-living things. All animals and plants are living things. Human beings are also living things. Living things move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes, and reproduce. Now, let us see first point. Living things move. Living things can move on their own. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Animals such as dogs, cats, and human beings walk with the help of their legs. Birds and bees fly with the help of wings. Fish move with the help of fins. Plants do not move from place to place because they do not have to look for food. Green plants make their own food. Some plants move in a special way. For example, a lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. The leaves of mimosa plant, that is touch-me-not plant, closes when touched. Thus, plants show movement. Non-living things like books, toys, and chairs do not move on their own. They move only when someone moves them. Living things grow. Plants and animals grow with time. Non-living things like dolls and cricket bats do not grow. Living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. We breathe through our nose. Several other animals breathe through their noses too. Cockroaches, butterflies, and mosquitoes breathe through air holes in their body. Plants breathe through tiny pores called stomata, present in their leaves. Human beings breathe through their nose. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food. Living things need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and to move. Animals eat plants or flesh of other animals as food. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food in the presence of water, sunlight, and water. Non-living things do not need food to eat. Living things feel changes. We can feel changes around us like hot and cold weather. In the same way, animals and plants can also feel changes around them. Most animals feel or sense changes around them with the help of their sense organs, that is, eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, and skin to touch. Animals like cockroach, grasshopper, and butterfly have special body parts called antennae, which help them to feel changes around them. Plants also feel changes around them. For example, mimosa, touch-me-not plant, feels a touch. A lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. Plants can also feel light and grow towards it. Non-living things do not feel any kind of changes. Living things reproduce. The process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Animals reproduce by either laying eggs or giving birth to their young ones. A woman gives birth to a baby, while a pigeon and a hen lay eggs from which chicks come out. Plants. Most plants reproduce with the help of seeds. These seeds grow into new plants. Some plants also give rise to new plants with the help of their roots, stems, or leaves. For example, rubber plant, money plant, and sugarcane plant. Non-living things do not reproduce. So now, students, I hope you understood the difference between living things and non-living things. So what are the characteristics of living things? Things that have life are called living things. So the characteristics are: living things can grow, can move, needs food and water, can breathe, and even reproduce. Living things can feel changes, and even after a certain period they die too. Now let's see about non-living things. So the things that do not have life are non-living things. The characteristics of non-living things are: non-living things cannot move, cannot grow, cannot breathe, cannot reproduce. Non-living things does not need food and water. They do not feel any kind of changes around them. So, they do not have life in them. That's why they are called non-living things.
Huh? Huh?
Now, let's do some assignments. Alright students, today after this, I will be back soon. Till then, you all stay at home, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye everyone.